Hey, good afternoon. Chuck here with Apple Drains. We just got back from an install here and it's raining. And when the rain stops, we're going to change this logo. And I wanted you guys to check this out because this is one of my favorite videos. And if you watch it through the end, we're going to tell you what pelicans have to do with French drains. And I know that sounds silly, but you just have to watch the video. Take a look. Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains in Charlotte, North Carolina. We're going to put a new logo on the back of the van, and it's actually a transfer sheet. We've printed it out, we reversed the image, and it's real sticky, so we're going to stick it up on here. Pretty simple to do this, you guys. Transfer image is right behind, right here, and we're going to go ahead and push hard and then peel this off and we're done. Real simple logo, but we want you to see our new logo. I doubt if you've ever seen a logo anything like this one. There we go. We'll give it just a couple seconds. Let's go ahead and peel it off. Oh yeah, what a logo. This is Pelican Pete. Pretty simple. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains in Charlotte, North Carolina, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it.
Hello, me mates.
Wow.
Check out appledrains.com.
It's alive.
Hello, me mates. I'm Pelican Pete. New logo for Apple Drains. Chuck and his crew have been installing rainwater drainage systems for over 30 years. Each of their videos is full of how-to tips for the DIY.
Wait a minute, Pete. I thought you wanted to tell everybody what you eat.
Me mates, you won't believe what pelicans really eat. When we fly across the water, we see something down below. We're looking for mermaids. Then we dive down. Even inland we find mermaids in swimming pools. Hey, Chuck, remember, you promised me something to eat.
Don't worry, Pete. Your food is coming. Just finish the video.
Me mates, our second favorite food is burritos. Okay, mate, this is Pete with Apple Drains reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day. And by the way, I'm very hungry.